All right, so I just got the shirt back from my son. I'm about to take this joker to the laundromat. He's been wearing it literally for 3 days straight. As you can see, it's got some stains on it. He's been rough with it. It's got stains up here. He's been eating and wearing it. He stretched the neck out. But look at it's still in there. Now one piece coming up. So after we wash it, we're gonna check it out. I'm gonna tell the lady to flip this joker inside out. It's got a stain right there too. I'm gonna tell the lady to flip it inside out. We're gonna wash it. We're gonna dry it normal like we do everything else. And if it works, guess what? I'm gonna hide these to offer you guys. So hold on for a second. So guys, just stick with me. And we gonna rock and roll. You guys looking for another way to be able to do sublimation on cotton? This might actually be the answer, guys. This may be the answer, and I may have it available for you. And I'll continue this video probably after tonight, after I get the clothes back. I'm about to go to the place now and drop it off. So peace. All right, guys, I just pulled up in front of the laundromat. I'm about to take these clothes up in here and talk to these people. This is a lot earlier than I'm usually at the laundromat, but I'm going before I open up my shop so that I can pick them up. When I close my shop tonight, I'm gonna come pick them up so I can do another video. I'm just trying to get to all this stuff as soon as possible so I can let you guys know what it is. So if I'm liking it and I'm jamming with it, I can go ahead and put that order in. I can make this stuff available to you guys. If I don't like it, guess what? Y'all might not never see these videos, but if I do like it, I'm definitely putting it on Front Street so that y'all can take advantage of this stuff. So yeah, rock with me. I'll be right back. Good morning, guys. So I went to the laundromat. I got the clothes back. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Good afternoon, good evening, whenever you guys checking in. Greetings and salutations. I want to thank you so very much for being here. This is a follow-up video for the CottonSubs that I'm thinking about bringing out to the market. I have the laundry bag here. If you guys don't see, this is my son's laundry bag. I'm about to check in here right now to see how that shirt turned out. Just to recap, he wore that shirt for about 2-3 days, probably closer to 3 days. He slept in it, he played basketball in it, he played around the house, just a whole bunch of stuff. So I'm looking in this bag right now to see if I can find this shirt. Oh, here it is. Man, listen, I ain't even about to play with them, guys. Not at all. This is the shirt after it's been washed. So as you can see, I showed that to you guys already. That's the top of the material that I did not cover, but as you can see, it's not peeling up any place. Looking in the corners, it's not coming up. It looks pretty damn good, guys. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and pull the trigger on this and make this available to you guys. So just make sure you get a good look all around. This is after it's been washed. Now I'm gonna keep it honest with you. It would probably feel at least 40-50% more better on a softer t-shirt. This is a Gildan. This is the one that I use in my shop every day, just to show you guys the tag. I don't know if you can see that, but 100% cotton. These are the shirts that I use in my shop every day. I keep them in black and white. And this joker looks good, man. I mean, I'm not upset at it at all. Now, I'm gonna be honest with you, maybe after, but it's not coming up at all, but I would say maybe after like what, 30 washes or something, you might have an issue with it coming up if you don't press it back down. But I'm gonna tell my customers, man, look, if y'all just pushing parchment paper on top, if you happen to see an end coming up or something, just go ahead, grab your iron and press that back down. This shit is bananas, dog. So yeah, I'm about to make this available to you guys. Not exactly sure how much I'm gonna price it at, not exactly sure how many I'm gonna get, but I'm liking this product, man. It looks good. The colors didn't fade absolutely at all. Let me see that stain. Oh, okay, that wasn't even a stain. That was actually part of the artwork. So, this is what I'm talking about here. I thought that was a stain last time. Right here. But that's actually part of the artwork that's in there. So, I was tripping. But yeah, man, I'm about to make this available. So, I'm going to do packs of 10. I'm going to make it so, you know, if you want to just test it out, you get you a pack of 10. I'm gonna work on the price, make it available to you guys. But this is some revolutionary stuff to me, man. Like, I've never heard of this before. Just investigating products, because, you know, I don't know if you guys know this or not, but I did a video and I tell you that I get bored extremely quick. So I'm always looking to offer my customers, my clientele, my liaisons, my business partners, more things that we can make more money, so we won't just get stuck and complacent and doing the same thing. So this is one of the new products that I'm getting ready to offer. I'm going to be doing some other things as well, but just to concentrate on this, man, this is crazy. So once again, CottonSubs, packs of 10, coming to you guys extremely soon. I will definitely do a video, and I'm actually going to do a couple more videos on this product as well, because you can sublimate this on black or white shirts. And guess what, guys, if you do it on a white shirt, you don't even have to take the artwork to the end, because the thing is already white. So you can just do like a nice design and just make it really big or whatever. It doesn't have to go past the artwork, and it's going to look like it's into the material if you're using a white shirt. So that's just banana, guys. Any other color shirt, now I'm suggesting white and black, but you can put this on any color cotton shirt. If you're using polyester, obviously you don't need this. This is strictly for cotton shirts. You can also put this on tote bags, you can put this on canvas shoes, you can put this on jeans, you can put this on probably anything that's cotton, you guys can put it on. So yeah, man, this is revolutionary. I definitely appreciate you guys checking in. I'm gonna keep this video really short, just to show you guys one more time. I want you to look it all over. I mean, you may be seeing some stuff that I'm not seeing, but ain't no ends coming up. That shirt is laying down. Once again, just to reiterate, if you happen to do a sublimation transfer on top of this and you don't cover the whole thing, you're gonna have a little white sticking out on top of the shirt, like that one is right there. So just make sure that you cover the whole thing, guys, and you'll definitely be okay. So once again, as always, I appreciate you checking in. We're gonna see you guys on the next video. I'm gonna do another video actually using a white shirt, and I'm gonna do another shirt using, I don't know if I'm gonna use another color shirt or if I'm gonna use another black shirt, just to do something different. But yeah, these are A3 sizes too. I think these are the closest sizes to like 11 by 17, guys. So man, we gonna rock and roll with this thing, guys, and I hope to see you guys rock and roll with me. Let's just get some more money. I'm gonna check you guys on the next video. Have a good one. You know how I always do at the end, right? Make sure that you guys love and respect one another, okay? Peace.